Hey everyone, it's Paul from Crypto Lifestyle back with an update video on MaticMoon. This thing just launched. I did a test, deposit already, and we're gonna deposit live now. So let's start. Alright guys, so we are back. So I did a video on this today, a few hours before it launched. Some people from my team already did go before me, but then I won't get any referral commission. But yeah, so in order to refer, you need to deposit yourself. I did a test deposit for 10 Matic just a while ago. It went smoothly, so everything is working good. And now I'm gonna diversify between savings and classic plans because they offer quite an attractive ROI. So we're gonna go with some Matic here and some Matic here. So let's make an, let's say I'll deposit. Let's see. I will have to send some Matic to this account. Ready? Yeah. Just let's do it now. Okay. It will take a while because I'm using, different accounts for different wallets. That's a good practice. Yeah, so let's go with 120 Matic. And yeah, you cannot see my wallet right now, but yeah, I'm using MetaMask wallet. You can use Token Pocket for your mobile. It will also work, and you need to add Polygon network to your wallet in order to be able to use it. So let's wait for the confirmation. Yeah, it just arrived in my wallet, so I'll be able to invest now. We're gonna do 60 Matic here and 60 Matic here, and look, from 60 Matic, I will get almost 80 Matic here in 14 days, assuming this will still have a balance in 14 days. And I will get some daily earnings. So I will be able to take my initial principal in the dividends slowly, day by day. And then after, I'm 100% is taken from daily earnings, so roughly in 10, 11 days, then I'll be, the next withdrawals will be a profit. Okay, so 33% profit here. Maybe let's go with 40 here because it's not paying too much. But just to diversify, okay, a window will appear from MetaMask, and yeah, you can see the other people going in and withdrawing. That's, yeah, nicely done, I have to admit. Now let's wait for it to confirm, and we will go with more Matic for the second plan because it will pay more. So I will risk in this one as well. We'll go with 80 Matic here, and possibly it will give me 134 Matic. So we will see. It will have to last for 3 weeks. Okay, so let's invest. But I will be able today to take daily claims and slowly take my initial principal and hopefully some profit. That's what I'm hoping for. I will not go into locked plans. They are too risky for me. I mean, I could go in the 14 days. That's the least risky one. Right now, you can see the total amount I'm staking is 130 Matic. And here I will see my dividends, just accruing, and I am able to withdraw anytime. Of course, I will wait until it accumulates because you need to pay fees, transaction fees for every withdrawal, every investment. So always have some Matic left on your wallet to cover the fees. Okay, that's how it works. On my last video, I already covered the documentation they have here, but you can read the article to understand it better. The minimum here is 10 Matic, and the deposit will increase. I mean, the basic interest rate that we have will increase 0.5% every 24 hours. So new people coming in will have some better chance to profit here as well. Of course, there will be winners and losers here. That's how it works, guys. So This is not financial advice, by the way, and I am not financial advisor. So always do your own research, guys, before you invest in any crypto and any dapp. Okay, I'm only here to show you what I'm doing, and I mean this is for education purposes only. All right, guys, that's it. I will show you probably some progress. Join my Telegram. You can subscribe to my channel to get early notifications about projects like this. If you are interested, it of course is high yield, high risk, high reward stuff. So always remember about that. Never invest too much. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon on another video.